All right, everyone, I'm checking out this stream, this little pond. I was here once before. Interesting. I leaned over the edge to check out the murky water, and a bullfrog jumped out and scared the daylights out of me because he saw me peering into the water, and he got scared and he hopped right out of the water. He leaped and leaped in bounds. Yeah. There's a little deer over there. Look at that. I don't know if you can see it. There's a couple of them. Yeah, I can't get close enough. Yeah, you can see them in the distance. All right, let's see. Where can I go that I'm not going to fall in? Because I have sandals on, and some of these places have like a slope. See, like right there, it goes down. I know me, I'll fall in there. Let's see. How about over here? Maybe over here. Yeah, maybe. I got the claw. This is gonna help me. Right here. See this? Yeah, so I'm gonna lower my little collection bottle, and that'll help me pull some stuff out. Like, I'll do it just like this. See? There you go. And I'm gonna try to find the murkiest spot that I can. How about right here? Fill it up. See? There you go. And let's do one more. Right there. Okay. Woohoo! Well, I got my samples. I just like to put a little bit of this organic, something, like some plant life in there.